It's such a brief life. Only in doing what you truly care for will your life become worthwhile. Well, people can invent meanings, philosophies and ideologies to bring some sense to the context of their life. But it's important that your life does not become just a psychological convenience, that you create something in your mind and make it worthwhile, either in the form of relationships or love or ideologies or beliefs that you have. It's important that you grow roots deep into the process of life. For this to happen, you need involvement. If genuine involvement has to come in your life, for you to give yourself absolutely, you must be doing something that truly matters to you. It's important that you find that. When I say it's important to find that, you don't have to spend half your life looking for what is my passion. No, you just have to dig into this ability of you making everything yours. When everything is yours, this whole world is yours, this cosmos is yours. It is actually yours. Who's denying it? There's enough science to tell you it is a part of you. So when it is a part of you, if you involve yourself absolutely and constantly strive to create what matters to you, what you really care for, then your existence itself will be worthwhile. Not necessarily your actions, not necessarily what you achieve and may not achieve, but your very existence will be truly worthwhile, because just to breathe and be is a phenomenon. There is no greater phenomenon in life. If this is not worthwhile, if this is not